November 22, 2022 is Love Your Freckles Day, a festival to celebrate and show off freckles. The word freckle was first used in the 14th century. Yes, just like hair color and skin color, the presence or absence of freckles is also related to the genetic gene MAC1R. Freckles are mainly naturally generated by the skin under sunlight, which looks like spots from distance. When humans began to leave Africa, the freckle-related MAC1R gene variant began to appear in the human genotype. The variant Y92 mate appeared somewhere 250,000 to 100,000 years ago, long enough for this gene to be carried by humans to Central Asia. People with blonde, brown, or black hair may have freckles. Just because the skin of redheads is whiter than that of whites, and the spots on their faces can be seen more clearly, people always have the stereotype that red hair equals freckles. However, people who are prone to freckles do represent that your skin is sensitive. In the 1950s, the popularity of tanning was a factor related to healthy and linear life, and the byproduct of spending a good time in the sun was the generation of freckles. From the end of the 19th century to the beginning of the 20th century, freckles were considered flaws and needed to be removed from the skin color. At some time in the middle and late 20th century, people's view on freckles changed fundamentally, and freckles became acceptable. In the 1990s, freckles were also associated with a younger appearance, and this association continues 20 years later. Now, freckles are widely recognized as unique and beautiful all over the world. Freckles are lovely spots kissed by the sun, making most people with freckles look very unique and natural. Many beautiful women, such as models and movie stars, are marked by freckles. On this day, it is time to celebrate the signs of being kissed by the sun. This is the painting we've done today with oil pastels for this special day. Have a great day!